go down. Okay, yeah, this is better. Okay, I gotta cut it. Okay, yeah, this is enough. Okay, so I must put something here, like here. So here I must have a wood like which has this thing. So I'm gonna grab this, put it underneath here, and it has to come here, stands like this. Then I put this here underneath. Yeah, this has to be big. Okay. Yeah. By the way, I haven't done this for more than 10 years. No, not 10 years. I haven't done this for more than 20 years. Tomorrow I'm gonna try and do something better. Okay. Okay. So this thing is ready. But I want it to be soft, like, so when a bed stands here, this thing has to go down. Okay. So this is my hook. I take it out. Okay. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a video where I show you guys step by step. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a video step by step of how I did my bed trap. Okay. All right. So I must cover here so the birds won't see.